Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life.
Dollies, hey, so I'm just gonna quickly do my hair. It is now 11:45. I'm actually on time. I just don't like having to like get there like 30 minutes before, because I like to have enough time to just like relax and prepare for the trip and stuff. It's a short journey, so it's not going to be as hectic. I'm really happy about that, because then also I am off tomorrow, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to just edit these vlogs and get them out already, because they're really giving me anxiety. But yeah, I'm gonna call with my mommy. Mommy, do you want to say hi to the army?
Hi.
She's eating. Sandra. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to check y'all. Yeah, I'll probably check y'all tonight and just update y'all on my trip yesterday. So yeah, I love you guys loads. I'm not taking you guys with me because it's a very short flight. I'll be back. It's like my reporting time is 1:20. I'll be back around like 25 to 8, I think. But I'm just telling myself that I'll be back by 8. So yeah, 8 o'clock I'll be back in Dubai. And yeah, I'll check you guys later and chit chat with y'all. Love you. Hey guys, I'm back home. I've had a great day, honestly. Oh my goodness, I feel like, let me just get like light. Hold on. So better lighting, we love it. So yeah, I just got back from my Kuwait flight, and it was really nice, you guys. It was really good. The crew was so amazing. Like, I love them so much. Dead ass would get them Lamborghinis if I had money like that, because they deserve that, okay? And like, actually they deserve everything nice. Anything they need or want, like, they deserve it, because they were absolutely amazing. The sweetest ladies. Even the senior was just love her. So yeah, I'm back now. I just wanna actually unwind and relax because I am so tired. I'm off tomorrow, but I just feel like the days go so fast when I'm off, so I'm not even relying on having like the longest time off, because before I know it, it's going to be Wednesday and I'll be flying to Zagreb again. I'm excited. I hope this time I'll get to do like something, and I hope I have a fun crew, actually, like a really dope crew. I do have a friend who, well, not necessarily a friend, but an acquaintance who offered to take me around Zagreb just to see the city and stuff. So I'm excited about that, because she's actually from Zagreb. She's Croatian, so that's a plus. I do hope I have a blast, a good time. Right now I'm gonna try eat something. I don't know, I'm just always so hungry. I'm always so hungry, and it bores me, honestly. It really bores me. I'm gonna try and eat something, and then like, just like, I don't know if I wanna try and edit or just sleep and then I'll edit tomorrow, because I'm really tired, guys. But I'll see with the night. And also tomorrow I do need to kind of like do my laundry and stuff. So yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. I thought I wanted to do it tonight, but tonight I don't think will work. I'll just rest tonight and then do everything I need to do tomorrow morning, and then spend the rest of the day just like chilling, maybe editing. I'm gonna like remove my makeup now and take a shower and yeah, remove my uniform. I hope you guys are all well. I'm really good. I'm really happy. I love my job actually. I think like I haven't like said this without feeling like I have to say this in a long time, but I genuinely love my job. And yeah, I had a conversation with my senior, and she was actually just telling me to keep going with real estate, even though like I'm like working with Fly Dubai, but I shouldn't like give up on the real estate on my real estate journey. So I think I'm gonna continue, and she's actually converted to being my client. So she wants me to actually help her buy a property. She wants to buy a property. So I'm just like, this is so amazing. God blesses in the most, you know, profound ways. Like he just shows up in ways you least expect him to. I'm so tired. Yeah. Okay guys, but yeah, I'm so grateful. So yeah, the journey continues. Delay is never a denial. Just for anybody who needs a word of encouragement, a word of wisdom, a word of love, you are loved, you are loved. And yeah, good things come to those who wait. Trust me. Trust me. Oh guys, hey Army, I'm with my dollies.
Hi, Ami. This is Chloe.
Hi.
She's new to the channel.
Okay guys, so we're going to the basketball match. I didn't even get a chance to kind of like let you guys know what's popping because I was rushing. I don't want to be late, and now I can't see because I should take these off and wear my spectacles. Anyway, yeah, we're going to watch the Dubai versus Ljubljana match, and well, you guys already know which team I'm for. I'm for Ljubljana. I think they for Dubai. I don't know.
I'm for whoever wins. I'm supporting whoever wins.
Okay, anyway, here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go. You're welcome. And yeah, I am going to love and leave you guys. We gotta drive and listen to some music because they're going to copyright my channel. You guys can't listen to us vibe, unfortunately. Oh, Chloe's so amazing. She said unfortunately. Sorry guys. Sorry for you, but we'll check you guys later.
Still wanna try, still believe it. But it ain't always inside. But it is in my mind.
Guys, I always wanted a brother. You don't know the song?
I do, but I don't know the rest of it. Oh, Mustang. Yeah, now I remember.
Okay guys, natural hair it is. My mom says I should go with my natural hair, so we will do what Mama says we should do. Yeah, guys, I'm so annoyed because I don't know what it is with Zagreb. Nabantu laba but it is what it is because it's land. So right now I'm prepping to go out. I'm gonna try and go find the city, and then yeah, enjoy life, try and enjoy life. I wish I had like data and stuff so that I can just keep in contact and keep speaking to my mom while I'm out traveling. I really do. I really wish I did have that, because it would be so much better, you know. But now I'm just riding solo. I'm gonna be listening to music as soon as I leave. I feel like I need to trim my hair, like just the ends a bit, but I don't want to do it myself. I think I would need like a professional, or maybe get my sister to trim me so that like they are equal, because the length is nice, but then I just need it to be proper, you know, and it gives room for hair to grow very well. Okay, anyway guys, I'm gonna spend some time with my mommy because I won't spend time with her when I'm out of this place. And right now it's 20 minutes past 4, so yeah, time literally flies. Oh my goodness, we just got here. Okay, anyway, I'll check y'all later. Y'all can watch me do my hair while I talk to my mommy. It's time.
I love you, Bobby.
Oh. So I think like Europe is gonna make me very confident real quick because oh my god, like I have no choice but to be confident and just like do what I need to do, you know. But yeah, let's go. Yo, I am feeling so hungry, and my feet, guys, my feet are killing me. My toes, my goodness, I cannot even. But I think I wanna go get I wanna go try and find something to eat in the city, a place to eat. If I do not find a place to eat in the city, then I'll probably just head back to the hotel. And then from the hotel, I will then, go to Batak, the restaurant I went to before, because the food there was really, really good, and I love the meat, so I think I just might do that. But yeah, I'm still like a bit nervous when I'm vlogging in public. I get so nervous, especially like when people start stopping to look at me. I get overwhelmed a bit, but yeah, I'm excited. I think that's what I'm gonna do, and yeah, you guys are gonna keep hearing me say this until I'm comfortable. I will see you. Like honestly, I think like this place is so beautiful. I genuinely feel like this place is gorgeous. Like it's really art, guys. Yo, it's art. I don't even know how to explain it or how to describe it. But yeah, it is good. Oh, glowing sun cap. I'm so done. I'm done with myself. I'm done with myself. Like, genuinely, you know, like when you are your own best friend. Yeah, that's what's up. I don't know. I think I wanna just pass by and ask him what the wine is and stuff. Like, look at this place. I think I'm gonna go try some wine. Let's see. Hi Luca, I'm Mimi.
Mimi.
I'm ready.
Yes?
I'm ready.
For what?
For you to
To explain. So this one comes from the island of Corchula, one of the oldest Croatian swords.
Amazing.
Yeah. White, fruity. You like it definitely?
Ah, it's like you knew me.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, that's destiny.
Okay guys, I'm gonna try white wine from Croatia. It smells good. This is just me liking things, by the way. Cause what is this? It's quite nice. I think I'm gonna look for something to eat as well. But I low-key just wanna go have something at Batak because it's really good. Okay, I was gonna say thank you, but I don't smoke, so
No problem.
it's actually really good.
I know it.
Yeah, it's really
It's one of
good.
the better ones.
Thank you.
No problem. I told you, you have to trust me.
So they have something. I don't know. This is the menu. Guys, I don't understand nothing. Like nothing. Uthanda izinto, guys. Uthanda izinto ngempela yazi.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
Oh my god, you guys, I am such a lightweight. I cannot. Honestly, I cannot. You guys won't believe. I just had one glass of wine. One glass of. And oh Lord, I genuinely don't even know how to walk. Guys, impilo ikunzima, we just make it hard on our own, genuinely, because what is this? Like, I guess like I was a bit sad. And you know what? Let me not even get started because I just might bawl out, start crying here. But genuinely, now I don't even care when people are staring at me while I'm vlogging. It's like, it is what it is, you know? Like, this is just normal. And I think they think I'm a celebrity because they keep looking back. I'm not even kidding you guys. If I show you this family in front of me, it's insane. It really is insane. But yeah, but then again, it could all be in my head, hey? It could all be in my head because the girl just had one glass of, and I'm already feeling like, you know, I'm untouchable. Not even kidding. Okay, y'all, let me go. I love y'all. And girl, all I can say is I'm so proud of you. We're in Europe, baby. Oh my god, this is a lot.
You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me
Hey guys, oh my god, what a day. I had the best time of my life. And shout out to my mom, because my mom was the one who was like, you know what, get your tripod, go out in them streets and take that content, girly. My mom was just like there supporting me, and the whole time her voice was in my ear, her voice was in my head, and I was just like thinking like, okay, you know what, I just gotta do this. And I did it, and I'm so happy and I'm so proud of myself. And I just love my mom for always supporting me, and just like, yo, that lady, I cannot. But yeah guys, let me shower and then I'm going to crash because I have breakfast in the morning and nobody's
skipping breakfast, Shem. Not this girly. Not me.
Good morning, my darlings. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I think yeah, I just realized I didn't show you guys the room tour, and that's because I just feel like it's pointless showing you guys a room tour when I mean it's the same hotel and the room is pretty much the same as the last time the way I showed you. It's just a different layout, like, and by different layout I mean like it's just facing the other side, that's all. So yeah, I didn't do room tour. I forgot to even mention that yesterday. Right now we are gonna prepare for breakfast because I'm gonna go have breakfast, and I think I'm gonna shower when I come back. The ghetto, yeah, I know, but Data's gonna shower when I come back because my feet are so sore. My feet are in so much pain. Like, actually not even like my feet, but like my toes. My toenails are in so much pain because the shoes that I was wearing, like the sneakers I was wearing yesterday, I love them so much, but I think like they are small cut because they are 5.5 and I wear 5.5, sometimes 5. And my Nike Air Force Ones, they are 5.5 and they are massive, like they are big on me. Like, and I'm just like, I should have bought like maybe a 4.5 or a 5 for them to fit me properly. And my Adidas sneakers, they are 5.5, but they're so painful. Like, they fit me kind of snug until I like walk for a while, or until like I'm wearing them for a long time, and then halas, they betray me. I don't want to go downstairs wearing my pajamas, but I don't think that would be very wise to do. And this time I packed less, guys. And the crazy thing is I packed less, and the captain was like, your bag is so heavy. And I was like, what do you mean it's heavy? It's not heavy. The last time it was heavy. This time I didn't pack much. I left room for space. Like left room for space. I left room for like shopping, you know. I left some space for like shopping. So I don't know what he was on. But yeah. Oh, my scalp. My scalp is so itchy. I need to moisturize my scalp when I get home because this cannot be my life. Actually, let me just, I think I'm gonna wash my hair when I get home because nobody needs or wants a dry scalp. Excuse me. I don't think I'll stop telling you guys how obsessed I am with my hair. I don't think I will, Chef. Because I'm beyond obsessed. And yeah, someone may be like, it's not that long. It's long for me. It's long for me. Oh yes. Okay. Ooh, you know, like this brush. Oh, doing the things. And I just missed my hair again. I just shook it. I'm so glad I came with my speaker because, yeah, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. And this time I left my laptop. I could have like maybe tried to edit. Okay, I lie. I probably maybe wouldn't have edited because I don't know, guys. I don't know. I just need to get an editor. Like, please pray for me to get like a husband who will support my content creation journey and would be willing to invest in this thing and just get me like an editor, because I'm telling you, creating content is not the issue for me. It's editing. It is editing the content that drives me nuts. I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna edit, and then boom, I sleep, I'm gone. I hate editing. Yo, I hate it. because I don't know how to edit. And someone will be like, but you've been editing. I don't know. I don't know. Because I want it to look cute. For the babies, it needs to look cute, aesthetic, you know, give vibes. Manje, I don't know how to do that. And I just don't. I feel like my personality is A1. And then like my vlogs are just like, because of the edits, you know. I don't know. It could be wrong, but that's my own opinion. I critique myself harder than anyone could ever. That's why like sometimes when people have something to say, like something negative to say, which is very rare if I'm being honest, but if somebody has something negative to say, it like just, you know, because nobody goes harder on me than I go hard, you know. Nobody goes harder on me than I do. That's what I wanted to say. But yeah, it don't faze me. And it's no disrespect, to be honest. It's just can't critique me when I've already critiqued myself. Can't try to make me feel small when I know I'm a big dog. Hey, I'm hilarious. Shit. Okay, guys, I am done with the brows. Oh, we're going all natural. Ain't nobody got time to be putting on makeup and then this and then that and then I should go all natural. Show them the caramel that I am. Get it? Okay, let me go get dressed. I'm just gonna open the curtains. Guys, it is so beautiful outside, but it looks gloomy, man. It looks so gloomy. Alright, but this is what's up. I'm gonna take this bag with me down for breakfast. I'm not gonna take the big one. Oh, I think I should take the big one because I'm gonna go to the store, right? Right? Yeah. Yeah. This is my souvenir. The fridge magnet. Guys. Okay, let me get dressed. You know what? Let me get dressed. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna be right back. Hey guys, so I am done getting dressed. I'm gonna quickly show you my outfit. I'm just wearing the same jeans I was wearing yesterday, a different top, and I'll probably throw on the blazer I was wearing yesterday as well if it is cold outside, but I don't think it is. I think it's quite chilled, so I probably most likely will do that. I'm gonna carry the same bag actually, because at first I was thinking of carrying this small bag, but then I realized I want to go shopping. So I'm gonna go for breakfast now, and I will check you guys later. Actually, we're going for breakfast. Why am I saying I'll check you guys later? We're going for breakfast. So yeah, I think, yeah, I'm just gonna throw this blazer on because it's cold, guys. I'm feeling, not that it's cold, but I feel a bit chilly, and I hate being cold, number one. So the fact that I'm gonna be, oh, why is it my watch is stopping? But yeah, I hate being cold, so I'm just gonna take this with me, and yeah, just go for breakfast and then quickly go shopping and then come back. It's like 8, it's almost 8. Today I'm going for breakfast quite late. It is quite late. What do I do? Okay, I don't need help because I'm going to leave my room a mess. So I don't need nobody coming in, you know, to fix nothing. Okay, let's go. I'm back at the hotel. I just took a shower. I'm about to take a nap, but before I take a nap, I actually just finished packing my bags as well. I'm not like done, but I just organized my stuff so that when I do wake up, it's just a matter of washing my face again, brushing my teeth, and just getting dressed, doing my makeup, hair and makeup, and then packing everything and closing my bags. But everything for the most part is packed. Right now I want to quickly show you guys what I got at the store when I went. So yeah, here we go. I got this Nivea After Sun. I got some hand cream. It was actually buy two get one free. I got like lip gloss. I got setting spray. This is the only setting spray they had available. And then I got this butterfly hair clip. I wanted the metal one because every time I get the plastic one, like all my plastic ones have broken. So yeah, and then I just got this brow mascara. That's about it. And then I also got this fridge magnet, but I got this yesterday, you guys, when I went touring the city. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, and yeah, I'm ready to go to Dubai. I didn't realize I'm off tomorrow, and ngijabule. I am so happy. I am so happy I'm off tomorrow, because I thought I was working, but no, the girl is off. The girl is free for 2 days. So yeah, it's a good time. Good time. I will see you when I wake up, because right now I'm gonna nap. Hey guys, so I'm up now. It's 12:10 or 12:15 now. I am currently on a call with your fave, Casey.
Hi, Abby.
I'm getting ready now for work because I don't want to. I mean, they'll wake me up and like they'll give me a call. My wake up call is in 15 minutes, but I just decided to just like wake up and yeah. And actually I didn't even like sleep. I was just like in bed. Yeah, so just gonna start doing my hair and makeup. And I could hear like I don't know if like I don't want to say it's my crew, but I think the neighbors or whoever it is, they keep banging the door. So I could barely sleep. I tried to nap, but I am well rested. I would like to think I am well rested, but yeah, so that's about it. I'm gonna get ready and you guys can watch me get ready.
You've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan E. Anybody?
Okay, I am done with makeup. I'm gonna go quickly wear my uniform and then come on and complete my hair. Oh my guys, I am running so late. And my makeup, what is my makeup even doing? It's so bad. My makeup is horrible. I look like a ghost. I literally have like 20 minutes to get downstairs. Less than actually, because I should be there before, slightly before. Oh my goodness. What is this? I hate when I feel like my makeup is bad, because if I feel like my makeup is bad, it is bad. I am trying to read my emails. Okay, not important. Don't read your emails like this. Okay, perfect. I think I'm good. Okay. Yeah, no, we straight. My forehead is going to shine up bright like a diamond today. Okay, yeah. So my scarf, and then we are good to go. My scarf and my access card, my ID. My flying ID. Oh, these pants. I feel so hungry. I'm always hungry. Oh my god. Okay guys, I do need to unfortunately go. I need to quickly pack my equipment as well. My ID. Okay, not gonna lie, Zagreb was amazing the second time around, and yeah, now I'm gonna quickly leave because I hate being late. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys when I'm back in Dubai.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk.